Hello guys, today I am going to share you how ultraviolet rays affecting our eyes. So do you think do we really need a protection from ultraviolet rays for our eyes, and what are the diseases caused with the exposure of UV rays on our eyes, and how we can protect our children's eye, or do we really need it for them, or it's not required at all. So in this video I'm going to share all the things and what are the treatment plan and how we can protect our eyes. So let's start the video. So the topic is the ultraviolet radiation and your eyes, how it correlates. So what are the effects of ultraviolet rays on eye? So and the another thing, and how we can protect our children eye, and what are the disease caused, and how we can protect, and what are the treatments plan available. So before we start, we should know what is the ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet ray is a form of radiation which is not visible to the human eye. So it's a part of electromagnetic spectrum, and its wavelength is starting from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. That is shorter than the visible light but longer than the X-rays. So electromagnetic spectrum consists of ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared rays. Ultraviolet ray is starting from wavelength 100 to 400, visible 400 to 700, and more infrared rays. So invisible light spectrum, that means the ultraviolet rays, we have the category UVA, UVB and UVC. UVC is most damaging to the skin, and majority of UVC is absorbed by the ozone layer and doesn't reaches to us, so that is we are safe from UVC. Ultraviolet B affect the epidermis, and that cause skin burn, skin cancer. In related to the eyes, it affects the cornea and the front part of the eyeball. So we have to prevent our eyes from ultraviolet B. And UVA is basically the penetrates the skin the most, and it that causes tanning and aging of the skin. So how to keep your child eye protected? So children are more at risk for retinal damage because their pupils are larger and the lens inside the eyes is clearer, which enables more absorption of ultraviolet rays into the eye. So it is very important to know your child eyes are even more susceptible to damage from ultraviolet radiation. So 80% of UV exposure occurs before the age of 18. So how to keep your child eye protected from the sun? So you can choose a sunglasses that blocks UVA and UVB. So overall you can say like UV 400 that can give you the full protection. So if he is using eyeglasses, so you can choose a medium tint. So that means you can choose a little color of 20% 30% color, so that it will give you some relaxation in front of the sun. And you can choose the sunglasses with the elastic band so that it will not come out from the head. And for the lenses, if you will choose the high impact lenses with the flexible frame, it would be more better for the safety concern for the kids. So because of the excessive exposure of ultraviolet rays, these are the diseases. So this is the photokeratitis, that is the swelling of the cornea, which is the front part of the eye. This is temporary, but we need the treatment either with the antibiotic or the artificial teardrop. We have to consult with the doctor for the better recommendation. So this is the pinjicula, as you can see, the white or the yellow dots within the conjunctiva. So for this condition, the people who is living in the very sunny areas or even very dry or sandy or dusty environment, it might happen. So because of the excessive UV exposure, so for this kind of condition we have to focus on the sunglasses to just to prevent not to become more rosen. So for this we have to get it treated. So the third condition is the pterygium. With the continued sun exposure, a pinjicula can grow from the white part of the eye onto the cornea. So in this condition, once it reaches to the cornea, we will not able to see it clearly. so we will see like distortion vision. So in this situation we have to go for the surgical treatment to remove it. So the fourth condition is the cataract, because our eyes having the crystalline lenses having the properties of absorbing UV rays. So because of the absorbing UV rays, our crystalline lens become hazy and cloudy, so that we will not able to see it clearly. So in this initially we will able to use the glasses to clear, but later on we have to go for the surgery to put the new artificial lenses on that. So the another condition is the macular degeneration, as we are calling, that is the age related macular degeneration, and that is happening because of the long term sun exposure to the retinal tissue or the macular degeneration. So as you can see in the images, so these are the two conditions of macular degeneration. First is the dry without bleeding, and another one is the wet with bleeding, and as another one you can see the normal healthy macula. So as you can see in the video how the ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared rays going inside in our eye through the cornea, lens, and it's going to the retina and it's damaging our retinal cell, the macula. So how we can protect? So always wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. So the sunglasses should be have like UV 400. Another thing you can get it, the wear wide brimmed hats. Another thing is like if you can avoid to go outside between the peak hours from morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we have to get it the best protection lenses. First is the polarized lenses that we are calling anti-glare or UV 400 lenses. Another one is the transition lenses, we are calling the color changeable lenses. Once you go outside it will become darker, and indoors it will be the white. If somebody is using contact lenses, there is available the UV protected contact lens available also. So this is the polarized lenses. So polarized lenses also available with the prescription lenses or without prescription. So with the polarized lenses you can see the image is very clear, and without polarized the image is very dull. So this is the transition lenses. So once you go out in the sun it will become darker with the exposure of UV, and once you come inside it will become whiter. So in the market also the contact lens also available with the transition lenses. So another one is the tinted sunglasses. So you can choose any color, whatever color you preferable, and either it is available with the prescription or without prescription with the UV 400. So another option is the for your spectacle also you can choose the lenses having the UV protected lenses. So finally the treatment depending upon the situation of your eyes. So either they can treat it with the eye drops, cold compresses, sunglasses, depending on the doctor prescription. So please take care of your eyes, use sunglasses. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.